Why should I hire a cycling accident lawyer? I was talking to a cycling client not long ago and sort of asked him his experience on why was it important to him to hire a cycling accident lawyer. And his observation was, you see the world through my eyes. And I think that's an important thing. A cycling accident is different than a car crash or a pedestrian accident. There's a lot of prejudice, quite frankly, against cyclists by the general public and by some law enforcement. Cyclists don't always get the benefit of the doubt that maybe a car driver or a pedestrian might get. A lot of people are resentful of cyclists and some of the things that cyclists do, especially when they're riding in big groups, when they're blowing through traffic lights and traffic signs and all that. But I think the most important thing is that a cycling lawyer, someone who actually is on the bike every week riding like you ride, facing the dangers and the problems that you face, has the ability to understand and be in your shoes when you get involved in a crash. Because many of these situations involve a police officer finding that maybe you were largely at fault when we can prove that you were not, or not giving you the benefit of what the law says you're entitled to in terms of not being responsible for an accident, simply because they have a bias that maybe you did something wrong. I think it's very important to have the cycling perspective in investigating an accident and putting together the pieces of where the debris field was, where is the damage on your bike, how does that match up with the damage on the car? Because I think we're in the best position to kind of put all that together and proving that what you actually said happened did happen.